Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. If you're thinking about starting a business in Texas, you've probably heard the term LLC. But what exactly is an LLC? In this video, we'll explain what a Texas LLC is, how it works, and what the Texas Secretary of State officially says about it. So, let's get started. According to the Texas Secretary of State, an LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a separate legal business entity. It's not a corporation and it's not a partnership. Instead, it's a unique type of business that combines some of the benefits of both. One of the biggest advantages of a Texas LLC is limited liability protection. In most cases, the owners, called members, are not personally responsible for the company's debts or legal obligations. That means your personal assets are generally protected from business liabilities. Another important point is that an LLC exists as its own legal entity. This means the business can own property, enter into contracts, and operate separately from its members. A Texas LLC can have just one member or multiple members. Those members can be individuals or even other businesses such as corporations, partnerships, trusts, or other legal entities. The Texas Secretary of State also allows an LLC to be managed in two different ways. It can be managed directly by its members, or the members can appoint one or more managers to handle the day-to-day operations. Now, here's something many people don't know. Simply deciding to start an LLC doesn't officially create one. Under Texas law, an LLC is formed only after you file a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State and the filing is accepted. So, here's the bottom line. A Texas LLC is a separate legal business entity that provides limited liability protection to its owners, offers flexible management options, and is officially created by filing a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. Everything in this video is based on official guidance from the Texas Secretary of State. Official links are available in the video description.